Hello, from Ultimate Fantasy News today. Today I am in Spain, in Fiesta. It has been raining quite heavily for 10 days non-stop. All these water from the mountains has come down in their small rivers to the main river. And this is the result. If you also look over here, there's a massive log coming down. Well, it's actually a tree. There's absolutely tons of debris that is coming down. It's really quite windy actually. Quite unpleasant. This bridge that I was actually on has actually been blocked off before, but they've let people go through now. There's not much I can say at the moment, but for me, AJ Gould on Fantasy News, I will show you things regularly, and I hope you're going to enjoy my San Antonio video, the Festival of San Antonio. Me, AJ Gould, goodbye.